Elon Musk is allegedly getting sued by Twitter. We're going to dig into this story and react to it.
Greg, I know you own Twitter stock. You do, don't you?
I do, and
what are you going to do with
painful.
it? Did you buy it up there in the 40s?
I've owned it for a long time, so I'm watching gains dissipate here by the day, and it's getting worse and worse. Well, look, we witnessed Elon do one of the largest business mic drops of all time, right? So he's walking away from the deal, and even despite that, I joined you 3 months ago, almost to the day, saying that I thought Elon was going to do an Irish exit and walk away from this deal. But he's just paying here to turn another turn of the card. And it's going to be very interesting. We're going to go to Delaware Chancery Court. This is going to be Wall Street's version of Johnny Depp and Amber meets OJ without the live TV coverage. And we're going to see what happens. I think ultimately, maybe he wants to buy it, but he's really trying to negotiate a lower deal. And if he doesn't get a lower deal, he's going to walk away. We're going to see this stock fall in line with the other social media
Make
stocks.
sure to leave a comment. I want to know what you're thinking about all this.
380 down to 160. So Twitter's been artificially supported by this bid, but the floor price keeps coming down with everyone losing confidence in this deal occurring.
I'm going to chuck my 2 cents worth in. I think Musk gets Twitter for about $20 a share or less.
Ooh.
What do you think?
Might be right? I'm sure the board will be sued, but what other option do they have? No other suitor has showed
Well, the
up.
lawyers are going to be picking over this thing forever.
Of course.
At some point, somebody's going to do something with Twitter.
Look, he knows he overpaid. Right? He overpaid in a very different market environment. We all don't know if he really genuinely wants to buy this asset. Everything has showed that he does want to buy it, but he wants to get a lower price. He wants to talk this down.
Are we getting a little tired of Elon Musk and his antics? I mean, I'm not. I mean, I think the man's an interesting kind of guy, and I'd love it when he takes over Twitter and messes them up. I'd love to see that. But, he's always making these headlines. He's always saying these strange things.
He's a character, and he's got a big following, so, hard to battle that.
He's only in his 50s. Are we in for another 20 years of this?
Sure does look like it.
Twitter has hired lawyers to sue Elon Musk and force him to complete a $44 billion takeover.
Damn.
The Tesla boss dropped plans for the deal on Friday. He says the social network has failed to provide information about fake accounts on its platform.
I don't blame him for that.
In response, Twitter chairman Brett Taylor has vowed a legal fight. The firm has hired Wachtel, Lipton, Rosen and Katz to lead the effort. The same lawyers advised Musk back in 2018 when he tweeted that he had funding to take Tesla private. He never proceeded with such an offer and was sued for defrauding investors. Musk and Tesla were both fined $20 million. Now sources say Twitter will file a lawsuit against Musk in Delaware as early as this week. Legal experts say the odds are in Twitter's favour, with courts in the state setting a high bar for allowing firms to abandon deals. In such circumstances, companies often renegotiate the deal or agree compensation to avoid a long legal battle. There was no immediate comment on the latest reports from either Twitter or the law firm. Shares in the social network tumbled around 9% in the first moments of US pre-market trade on Monday.
This is an interesting story. I'm curious to hear everyone's opinions. Definitely leave it in the comments. Is Elon Musk trolling? Is he going to eventually buy Twitter? Did he do this to own Twitter, but not own Twitter? Let me know what you're thinking.